Yeah, Barbara, a little bit interesting actually being in that meeting earlier today as we got a little bit closer at looking what a tolled Capitol Boulevard might look like and specifically why the cost of fixing this problem continues to rise.
If we can't fund a freeway for this corridor, what could we do?
That is some of the sentiment from Chris Lucasina, the executive director for the Capital Area Metropolitan Planning Organization, known as CAMPO, addressing Raleigh City Council today about their study on what a portion of Capitol Boulevard north of 540 would look like, and what if it were a toll road. This roadmap showing how the project has been riddled with delays since 2016 and had it been on track from day one, been completed back in 2023. Those delays pushing what was once a $93 million price tag to now upwards of $1.3 billion. Lucasina feels at this point it's best to get the ball rolling.
And I think the real issue came in with this being the fifth delay to this project and seeing the sort of the writing on the wall that our region saw in the early 2000s with 540 and saying, well, do we want to wait 2 more years for what is most likely another delay to the project and another delay and another delay?
The North Carolina Turnpike Authority was brought in to help with the study and look at if the project were to go toll. The options would include 4 different expressway or express lane options. However, Lucasina says that wasn't the original intent of relieving congestion.
I think we looked at how do you get the full project accomplished, and I think part of the challenge here is we aren't looking for a project to go toll, right? I think everyone probably agree if we can get something not tolled, we would take it.
It's an option that would likely be met with a warm reception, especially by a college student I spoke with who rides Capitol Boulevard every single day to and from class.
If it did cut down the commute time, yes, I probably would pay for it if it's like an annual thing, like an easy pass or something like that.
And it is important to note that out of today's meeting, there was no specific action taken. However, Campo, they would like to vote on how best to move forward in a meeting sometime late next month.